Buying pre-construction or a new construction home. Do I need an agent? We give you 8 reasons why you should always have a realtor as your own agent. I'm often asked if a buyer's real estate agent is needed when purchasing a new construction home. And my answer is yes, yes, and yes. People assume that because new construction homes are typically wrinkle-free and that the home prices are fixed in most cases, there is nothing to be gained from hiring a real estate agent to represent you as a buyer. This, however, couldn't be further from the truth. And if you want to know what are 8 main reasons why you should absolutely have a realtor as your own agent, especially when purchasing a new construction or a pre-construction home, watch this video as we're starting right now. Before we begin highlighting 8 main reasons why you should have a realtor when you're buying pre-construction or a new construction home, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Feel free to look around, check out our videos and many resources we put together for you. Reason number 1, representation. The smiling, friendly sales agent at the model home represents the builder, but who will represent you? They will be negotiating for their builder to ensure that the builder gets the most money for the home, and you will need someone who will negotiate just as aggressively on your behalf. Price is not the only point to be negotiated, and for the most part cannot be. There are fees, upgrade options, financing terms, closing costs, and so much more. Make sure you have someone who is in your corner and ensuring that you get the very best deal. Number 2, contracts. Contracts can be very confusing and filled with all that fine print. Your real estate agent will make sure that you understand all aspects of each document. Your agent will help you understand how contract clauses, riders, and options can affect you or could be available to you. Your agent will make sure that you understand and are very comfortable with every aspect of the contract before you sign on the dotted line. Number 3, construction. A good real estate agent knows all the builders in the area and can help you to educate you on the builder's reputation so that you could choose a quality builder for your dream home. Looking for the best builder in Southeast Florida? Give us a call. Number 4, muscle power. Your agent will fight for you if issues arise during construction of a new home. A real estate agent will have far more pull with a builder than an individual or the builder's sales office will, because builders understand the importance of maintaining their reputation with the realtors. After all, they rely on us as we sell their homes over and over again. Don't go into the largest purchase of your life without someone in your corner to watch out for you. Number 5, comparisons. Your agent will ensure that you are comparing apples to apples. Many factors go into a new construction: energy efficiency, quality of flooring, countertops, irrigation or sprinkler system, fencing, size of the garage, unit type and floor height, and its location. What items are standard and which are upgrades, which model to select and which not. Your real estate agent knows what questions to ask to ensure that you have sufficient information to make a relevant comparison. Number 6, voice of reason. Don't get swept up in the excitement of the sales pitch. Your real estate agent can make sure that you're informed enough to make sure that the home will really fit your needs. Your agent will look out for your best interests and will research important points such as floodplains, tax variances, changing school zones, resale value, and so much more. Number 7, time saver. Time is money, and your agent can save you hours of legwork by coordinating all aspects of the home buying process. Number 8, many buyers think that they can pay less for a home if they don't use a realtor. Actually, no. In fact, we know the opposite to be true. And here is why. Builders need the price of their homes to be consistent so that they will appraise for the full value, allowing buyers to get mortgages. The real estate commission is already built into the price, so it makes absolutely no difference to the builder if a buyer brings their own agent or purchases with the builder's sales center. A realtor, in fact, can save you money by identifying and possibly eliminating some of the hidden costs associated with purchasing a pre-construction or a new construction home, as well as negotiate some added features. And here is a bonus number 9 point, the point of inspection. Yes, although you will receive a brand new home, you should always bring your own home inspector. And mind you, inspector who is specifically qualified to inspect new construction homes. General contractors and builders may have great reputation, but what about the construction workers or the subcontractors? An experienced inspector is trained to look for faults and defects, and you want this corrected before you move in. And possibly you can get some free upgrades, and this could be negotiated. I hope this information was helpful. To download our free buying pre-construction guidebook, see the link in the description below. If you need additional information, you may have questions you need answers to, or assistance with real estate needs, my team and I will be very happy to help you. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share the love. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Kate Smith, Hollywood, Florida.